Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the incredible ways artificial intelligence is revolutionizing energy efficiency in manufacturing. If you're into the latest tech trends and sustainable practices, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things AI and innovation. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence is leading a transformative phase in the manufacturing industry. Currently, most of the factories are still struggling with large energy consumption, which leads to low carbon footprint. By analyzing patterns and predicting outcomes, AI can help manufacturers identify inefficiencies and optimize energy use in real time. This results in significant energy savings, reduces carbon footprints, and leads to more sustainable manufacturing practices. The manufacturing managers can streamline processes, elevate product quality, and boost energy efficiency, bringing about a significant evolution in the manufacturing landscape. Next, we have energy monitoring and management. AI systems continuously monitor energy consumption in real time, identifying patterns and anomalies. AI helps pinpoint areas of inefficiency, allowing for better optimization of energy usage. Moving on to smart grids and energy storage. AI is employed to manage energy storage systems efficiently, predicting energy demand and deciding when to store or release energy. AI helps smart grids to balance energy supply and demand dynamically, ensuring optimal usage and contributing to sustainability. Now, let's talk about process optimization. AI algorithms optimize manufacturing processes by adjusting parameters in real time. This ensures that machines operate at their most energy-efficient levels, reducing waste and unnecessary energy consumption. AI also plays a key role in supply chain optimization. By predicting demand and adjusting production schedules accordingly, businesses can prevent overproduction, significantly reducing energy waste in the manufacturing process. Moving on to energy-efficient equipment and systems. AI assists in designing and selecting energy-efficient solutions by identifying the most energy-efficient configurations, which contribute great cost savings. Now, let's talk about occupancy and environmental controls. AI-powered systems monitor occupancy levels and environmental conditions within a factory, adjusting heating, ventilation, and lighting based on real-time data. This leads to energy savings in unoccupied areas and specific conditions. Continuing with continuous improvement, machine learning models analyze historical data to identify opportunities for enhancement. By learning from past performance, AI systems suggest changes and optimizations, further reducing energy consumption over time. Next up, energy consumption forecasting. AI analyzes historical data, weather patterns, and relevant factors to forecast future energy consumption. This aids in planning for peak usage periods and optimizing energy distribution accordingly. Last but not least, employee engagement. AI can play a role in encouraging employees to adopt energy-efficient practices. Providing real-time feedback and incentives ensures everyone is on board with the sustainability efforts. How AI can improve energy efficiency. Artificial intelligence is a transformative force, particularly in the manufacturing industry, with a key focus on enhancing energy efficiency. Going beyond mere buzzwords, AI excels in identifying crucial patterns from IoT devices and manufacturing execution systems to optimize energy consumption. AI enables manufacturers to dynamically adjust energy usage, preventing waste during low demand periods and ensuring readiness for peak demand. AI doesn't stop at prediction. It actively identifies and addresses inefficient processes, acting as a virtual assistant to recommend maintenance or replacement for equipment operating below optimal efficiency. Moreover, AI isn't just about immediate optimization. It also champions a sustainable future by offering insights into the environmental impact of manufacturing and suggesting practical measures to reduce the carbon footprint, creating a win-win for efficiency and the planet. There you have it, folks. By integrating AI technologies into factory operations, businesses can achieve significant reductions in energy consumption, lower operational costs, and contribute to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly manufacturing process. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments what AI applications you're excited about. Don't forget to share this video with your tech-savvy friends. Until next time, stay curious and embrace the future. This is Touralytics.ai, signing off.